I belong to Abu Road.
Right.
It's a very small town of Rajasthan. When I did my graduation, I did my PGs from Modinagar and then joined Cipla. When I started my career, I didn't see the where I would be. I say that do not dilute the efforts that you give for your success. Make sure you give the best. Keep upskilling, keep learning the trades that makes you successful. There's no shortcut to success.
Right.
So you have to be mindful about your success and you have to be mindful about the work that you have to do it. Give your best.
Suppose ये medical rep के बारे में ही discuss करते हैं, like who just entered into the industry. Every training session tell him कि जाओ field पे जाओ, उतरो, customer को समझो, जितने ज़्यादा लोगों से मिल सकते हो उतने ज़्यादा लोगों से मिलो. वहाँ पे can I imagine work-life balance there?
A balanced life is that you are balancing everything well. You are giving due importance to all the important priorities of your life, and then once you do it, then you know where to spend time on.
Hello everyone, welcome in the another episode of Leaders of Pharma powered by Game of Pharma, and today we have with us a very special guest, Anand Agrawal sir, who is heading emerging markets for Cipla and also a Rajasthani. So we will discuss some of the dal batis also, exchange some dal bati ideas with us. So welcome on the show, sir.
We will exchange the taste of it.
Yeah, we will exchange the taste of it, sir. So welcome on the show, sir.
So nice of you. It's my pleasure being here and talking to you. Let's have it.
So one of the sessions I listened, okay, and then sir mentioned one important thing about balanced life, right? If I'm not wrong. And I was thinking of how it's different from work-life balance. So is it both the same principles or it's your own creativity, sir?
So, whenever you talk to any of your friends, colleagues, when I go, one of the most common things is that life में time नहीं मिलता,
Right.
time नहीं मिलता, काम override कर जाता है,
Right.
weekends are tired,
Right.
and so how to balance that?
Right.
And because I'm a very social animal,
Right.
and many times they used to see my Facebook posts or Instagram posts, seeing that Anand, you are riding, sometimes you are going out of
Right.
car, driving outskirts. Most of my rainy seasons weekends are out of my home, so I love do that. So this is how do you so and what is your work-life balance? I always say, Lokesh, to everyone that the key, if you keep saying work-life balance, that word line itself define that work is not part of the life. As long as you keep it that way, then you'll keep managing and keep balancing it. What I mean that we have a life.
Right.
Maybe balance it well. So
Right.
that's the word that I coined in that I said that's live a balanced life.
Right.
That's very important. The balanced life comes when you start prioritizing your life. So when you are at home, I love to be at home and then I'm there fully. When I'm at work, I ensure that I'm at work fully. When I'm with my friends, my family, anybody, So what I say that I always recommend that whichever place and whatever you are doing, do it full. Be there in that moment, and that makes your life better, and you enjoy that moment rather than staying home and worrying about work and staying at work worrying about home won't work. For me, it's very important to have a balanced life. That's what my definition of balanced life is.
Great, sir. But I think the same question, okay?
Yeah.
I think you had 25 years of experience, but as 25 years old, right? 24, है ना? Okay. If बहुत सारा hustle करना है life में, right? When I think my friends as well, like when I discuss the things with them, they also tell कि यार यही तो time है काम करने का.
Absolutely.
As 24 year old, और सपोज ये मेडिकल रैप के बारे में ही डिस्कस करते हैं, लाइक हु जस्ट एंटर्ड इनटू द इंडस्ट्री 2024, एवरी ट्रेनिंग सेशन टेल हिम कि जाओ फील्ड पे जाओ, उतरो, कस्टमर को समझो, जितने ज्यादा लोगों से मिल सकते हो उतने ज्यादा लोगों से मिलो. वहां पे कैन आई इमेजिन वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस देयर?
So again, I like to reiterate. You said that we are at 25 years, and in early stage of career we used to be like this. I'm not saying that you should not be. So in one of my session, I to referring to the students of the PG course, I communicated to them very clearly that I'm not saying that you are diluting your focus to family or you are diluting your focus on your work or your education. No, not like that. A balanced life is that you are balancing everything well. You are giving due importance to all the important priorities of your life, and then once you do it, then you know that where to spend time on. And being a 24 years guy, and you say that it's a part of my life, you have to hustle. Absolutely. And what I communicated in my last session, I said that there's no shortcut to success.
Right.
So you have to be mindful about your success, and you have to be mindful about the work that you have to do it. Give your best, give your 100% in. Unless you hustle, you will not. So that should be the part. But that doesn't mean that when I'm at my with my mother or my sister or my brother or my friends, I still talks about what happened to my last podcast. Will that get in viewership or not? No, you talks about it when you are at work.
Right.
So when you're sitting in your office, you do hell lot of tasks to make sure your podcast become viral. You get more viewerships. Absolutely. But when you are at home and sitting with your mom, why are you worrying about podcast? Let's worry about your mother. Talk to her. Listen her, what's her experience are. That will make you more complete man. So when you feel fulfilled, you will do much better in your office job. That's how I see it. And the second point that I want Lokesh maybe looks philosophical. Do not compare yourself with anyone. No, that he does better than me. Fair enough. That's his way of work. Looking at no, every individual has traits. Every individual has a way of living life. You give that to full. No, I think so every success, every uniqueness. God has not made two people's familiar or similar looks. Why do we look at ourselves with somebody else's eyes? So it's like insulting yourself. I personally see that do not look at success milestone with the money that somebody makes, the viewership somebody gets, or somebody influence. No, one day life will give awards you much better maybe. That's how I see.
Agree, sir. And I think it's not my generation mistake. I think the things that we have adapted, right? So suppose, like just as Sam Altman, the founder of the ChatGPT. So like just a statements viral there, right? You can just make $1 billion company with in AI agent, right? With the less than 2 people. I think these kind of statements we are hearing every single day. And with that statement, I think these kind of statement creating a aura in our mind that what I'm doing if I'm not earning. So वो पैसे कमाने की आदत को इतना ओवर हाइप कर दिया गया है, वहां पे जो बैलेंस लाइफ है वो बहुत नीचे दब गई है. सो एज यू ऑल्सो कम फ्रॉम द राजस्थान, आई ऑल्सो कम from the Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a very social state, right? Like we enjoy to go into the weddings. We enjoy to spend on the weddings, right?
Absolutely.
Right. And when we come to a place, right? जैसे आप बॉम्बे आए, right? To create something, I think family वहाँ रहती होगी. So sometimes I go into the depression side of the things as well. कि अगर मैं जयपुर छोड़ के मुंबई आ गया हूँ, right? तो my thing should here only would be कि मेरे को काम करना है.
Absolutely.
मेरे को नाम कमाना है, राइट? सो हाउ यू जस्टिफाई दीज थिंग्स कि मैं पूरा फैमिली छोड़ के यहाँ आया हूँ एंड देन यहाँ पे भी आके इफ यू टेल मी कि मेंटेन वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस, हाउ दिस थिंग शुड बी.
So I belong to Abu Road.
Right.
It's a very small town of Rajasthan. Maybe I would tell them where it is. When you say somebody I belong to Abu Road, you have to tell him that which part of the world it is, which geography, and then how it comes. No, so from an Abu Road, when I did my graduation, I did my PGs, from Modinagar, and then joined Cipla. When I started my career, I didn't see the where I would be. I say that do not dilute the efforts that you give for your success. Make sure you give the best. Keep upskilling, keep learning the traits that makes you successful. Something now, and then keep getting in feedback of your own. What working and what not working, and update. Keep upskilling. Get the right people who can help you getting it done. So that is every individual's way of getting success. My view that marker of success today, when you say that a youngster look at that, marker of success they see is always like that how much money do I make out of it. I think money is important. People who say that money is not important, I think they are fool. Money is very important. It makes you live happily, it makes you live the way you want it to be. So that should be, you give your best to earn money, but it should not happen that in bargain of making money you lose your life. I've seen a multiple example of my own friends, in real life friends. who just gave prioritizations to, crazy workaholism, and they keep everything aside, their own hobbies, their friends, their treats, party, family, everything they kept it aside. Maybe they would have made, a few million more than me. Maybe their designation could be a level up or level down. But end of the day, what some episodes in their life has happened was not good. No. So those episodes make them sad, and today they're now realizing, I think we committed a mistake, and now they're recorrecting their future life or future way of working. No, why to reach out to an accident to retune your life?
Right.
I think, and if you keep working, God knows, tomorrow people will try to emulate Game of Pharma. No, when Dipinder Goyal started Zomato, he was not knowing that he would be making $1 billion story or a more than it does. So that's how it comes, I think. So keep giving your best to your work, I think, and sometimes you should leave your works to destiny, and you don't know what lies ahead. Maybe much sharper and much larger than anybody would have thought, or even if you.
I agree. No, I think totally effect when I introspect this kind of statement that you have mentioned, right? So I think, so one of the thing that I want to discuss here, like, and it totally relates with your personal journey, that is, you spend 25 years in a single company.
Correct.
And the second statement that you have mentioned is the patience, right? Sorry. As pharma, it's always a patient, but yeah, it's patience, right? And like, go with the flow kind of stuff, right? So like, आप इसका जो है, like, इसका जो पूरा I would say श्रेय, right? ये किसको देना चाहोगे? The organization or yourself, individuality, or the person that you have become with these principles?
So it's not about giving credit to whom, when you stay with an organization or stay with, we always get surprised when somebody stay with the organization for 25 years. Do we anytime ask that, why did you stay with your family for 40, 45, 49 years? I'm with my family for 49 years. That doesn't surprise anyone, but people get surprised by somebody stay with an organization for a long time. I think when you leave, why you leave an organization? Either you don't grow, you don't earn, you don't get respect. No, these are the 2-3 things that I personally evaluate when I will choose my career decisions. As long as those are being taken care of, I think you should not be worrying about it, because, and keep giving your best. As long as you are growing, you're making money, you are being respected, there's a culture of the organization, it supports you, and then you don't need to leave it. So you don't know when you go to the other organization, will you get the everything same? So
I agree, and I think the key point that you have mentioned is, and that's totally relates with the generation like me, is the respect part. And I don't know, like, but organizations currently are not able to crack that. So they are, so like, मैं मेरे किसी friend से बात कर रहा था, I think 2 days ago, and then उन्होंने like rightly mentioned किया, they were just discussing one point, and then उनके बॉस ने उनको बोल दिया कि यार तुम जेनजीज तो ऐसा ही करते हो, and then उसने एक क्रॉस स्टेटमेंट कर दिया कि सर आपने जेनजी को एक जात क्यों बना दिया?
Absolutely.
हाँ, so the key point that you have mentioned कि price, like that you mentioned, that salary that I'm getting, right, the career growth that I'm getting, I can settle for those stuff, and my generation can settle for those stuff. But the kind of respect that I'm getting from my managers or the leadership team, right, I think that makes my generation like believe in the company, right, that we want respect, we will kill in this company.
Absolutely.
But just give us the respect. And I think you truly mentioned that these 3 things are the pillars of a great culture and good culture. So thank you so much, sir, for being on this show. I think we discussed a very deep topic that relates with everyone, not for the farmer, I think for the whole healthcare.
Love you.
Thank you so much, sir.
So nice of you, and thanks talking to me.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Take care.